Learn easy drawing. Hello, friends. Goodbye. See you in the next video.